In today's guide, you will learn how to create mockup on Canva. So follow me as I put you through on the steps you need to take to get that achieved. The first is to open your browser. In this tutorial, I'm using Chrome, so I'll double click on it. As the browser opens, visit canva.com. Okay? Once the Canva page opens, just as you can see on the screen right now, sign in. In my own case, I'm signing automatically because I save my details on the platform. The next step you need to take is to click on Apps, which is one of the options at the left margin. Okay? From the options displayed, select Smart Mockups. As the Smart Mockups opens, you can see these tabs here. They all explain the type of mockup you can create. You can go with technology, print, packaging, apparel, home and living. So let's work with packaging. So I'll click on the packaging tab. Okay, you can see some of these templates do not have the crown icon, meaning that they are free to use. So let's go with the second option, beverages. On these beverages, you can see some markups we can work with. This one is not free, this one is not free, this one is not free. Anyone that has the crown icon is not free. But I like this or this. So let's go with this and see what we have. Okay, the next step we need to take is to tap on select. This will allow us to import the image we want to use for the markup. Alright, this opens your photo gallery in Canva. Okay, so you can select any of these images if the intended image is here, the intended photo. But here I don't want to use any of these, so let me go from my PC. So I'll click on upload. The image I want to use is here, so I will double click on it and then double click on the image. Okay, as the image is done loading, I'll click on it for it to be selected. The next is click on select button. You can see this mockup has been placed on this container, which is a package. Okay, so you can save this into your computer and print it out if you want to do that. All right, but if you don't want to do that, maybe you want to send it to people in soft copy, you can share it with people. All right, so let's go ahead and save this. So I'll click on save mockup. On this page, you can see how the mockup looks in a fuller way. All right, so go ahead and download. Okay, with this last step, this design is now downloaded into your PC. So let's go and practice with another example. So I'll close this. As I click on Smart Mockups, we are returned back to the previous page. So here, I want us to practicalize with print option. So I'll click on Print tab. Then I want us to create a mockup for books. So I'll click on Books. On this page, you can see so many patterns we can work with, okay? But this is not free because it's pro. This is not free. This is not free. So let's just go with this option that is free. So I'll click on it. As the pattern has opened, the next step is to select the photo we want to use for the design. So click on select. This displays some uploads. So let's work with this example as well. So I'll click on that and then go with the option select, okay? This has imported the design here. Okay, so the next step as usual is to save mockup. All right, so once this image is saved, you can use another photo editor to make it brighter, because as you can see on this screen, it's not that bright. Okay, so when you make it brighter, you will get more better results.
I hope you find this guide helpful. Please do like, subscribe, and leave a comment.